For this week's project, you're going to be creating a moral critique of a given article about graphic design. For this, you need to download and read just this one article. Now, it's a couple of pages long and it is a little dense, but it does require you to give a good understanding of what this author is trying to tell you about why we should create graphic design. In this case, she's giving a really good political, religious, and social argument about some of the things that she sees are wrong and right with the current state of graphic design. So, reading through this, you'll get a good understanding of her point of view. From that, be able to answer the first set of questions about what she's trying to say. Give 2 or more sentences to be able to answer each one of these. Once you're finished, be able to answer these questions about your own moral philosophy. Try to be as honest as possible, and remember, there's no right or wrong answer or one is better than the other. Instead, you want to be able to compare your morals with the morals that are given. So answering these as best possible will help you do this. The first part of this particular project will be due. Then, the second part is where I want you to write a formal critique of your moral stance and compare it to the author. So take the answers that you give for each one of these and write a couple of paragraphs that support yours, support their point of view, and then compare both of them together. You may find that your stance is the same as the author's, or you may find that you have some conflict in personal views. So in this critique, talk about what you find the same and what you find in conflict.